Hello YouTube land, and welcome to Jimster 586's Lock Shop. Today we have an annoyed Lily Kitty who's annoyed at me because I have the overhead light on and I'm making too much noise so she can't get some sleep. Poor kitty. Aw, what a shame. Anyway, we have over here, we have bits and pieces of Jimster 586's Lock Shop. Sorry for the kind of the wrong angle here. Anyway, that's not why we're here. We are here today because I have a monster padlock for you. We have one Abloy. Since camera focuses, there we go. Abloy, Finland. And this is a Protec. There's your model right there, 362. This thing, as you can see, maybe, there we go, having trouble with the hardwood floor here with the camera, is a monster. I mean, this thing's got to be like 3 pounds or more. It's a hardened steel shackle, shrouded, as you can see. And of course, as I say, it's an Abloy, made in Finland. And of course, we have one, turn it the right way so you can see it. Focus. Come on. Like I said, the camera's having, I don't usually do lock demos in this room, and the camera's having a hard time focusing. There we go. It's an Abloy. Yes, it is. Disc tumbler, of course. It's an Abloy Protec. Well, this one does not tell you the keyway. It's kind of an exclusive keyway, as they call it. So let's show you the bottom of the lock here. There's your keyway. There's a drain hole for the shackle. Same on this side. So let's open her up. A typical Abloy Protec. The key just slides right in there, nice as can be. Turn the key all the way, and it's open padlock with the double ball bearing lock. There you can kind of see down there, and you can see the drain hole there. So this would work outdoors, wouldn't freeze because water can run right down through and drain out the bottom. It looks as though you can remove the cylinder. That's what I'm guessing this is. I haven't tried that yet, but it looks like it can be done. Maybe we'll have to try that if I can find something to open it with, which I think I can do. This lock, of course, is a key retainer, so you can't get your key out until you close the lock. So, just for kicks, let's do that. This shackle only goes one way. Once it reaches that point, it just drops down in there. Now, the key is removable. Let's do that again. Yeah, see if I can give you a good view of the discs down in there. You have to work with the overhead light. As you can see, the ceiling fan blades reflecting on the lock here. So that's one nice thing about disc tumblers. The key just drops right in there, nice as can be. And lo and behold, it works. And there goes the shackle. Let's do that again. Kind of an interesting idea. You just do that. Turn the key. And your lock is open. There's no springs in this, as it's a key retainer. As I say, the shackle only goes one way. But look at the size of this shackle. I mean, this thing is a monster. Come on, camera. Cooperate with me. Work with me. Abloy has an orange dot, which the dots are color-coded for your identification. You, the end user, can choose what color dot. The dots don't signify anything from the factory. It's just you're the customer's choice. If you look at the Protec key here, I like these Protecs, they're really cool. So that's, now that I've run over 5 minutes, what I have for you. It's one Abloy made in Finland. Model 362, hardened, steel shackle. And like I said, I don't have a scale handy, but I would bet this thing weighs probably a good 2.5, 3 pounds. This thing is heavy. I mean, you could seriously hurt somebody if you threw this at them. So let's open it up. And let's see what I have here. Just for curiosity, I'll do this on, try to do this on camera. I take a key off here. I'm curious to know if that's a cylinder removal hatch there on the top. So let's find out. I haven't tried this yet, so we're going to do this right here on camera. Maybe not. May have to see if I can find the instructions or something on the net for this. I guess you can't do that way. Alright. Well, you have to find out what the deal is with this. Whether it has to be done in the locked position, which doesn't make any sense. I mean, why would you do that? That wouldn't make any sense at all. Huh. Weird. Anyway, I will look into this, see if you can remove the cylinder. If so, I'll show you the cylinder. I'll have to do it on a future video. So that's what I have for you. An Abloy 362, upside down. Abloy Protec at that. One Abloy Protec key. It says Abloy there. And that's all I've got for you at the moment. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it.